Hey, it's Piotr here. Today I will show you a hand-painted motion graphic template from SmashWorks. You may have seen a music video called Hard Times by Paramore that uses hand-painted style animation on top of the footage. Personally, I really enjoyed this effect, and the template I am about to show you lets you achieve some similar results. Now, this is a premium template and it's not cheap, but since it's applicable in so many situations, I think it's quite a good deal. Also, I've asked the creators of the pack for a discount for my viewers and I got it, so for 10% off, watch till the end. As far as I know, this is an exclusive discount you won't get anywhere else at this point in time. I know how much time and effort goes into creating motion graphic templates because I have created a bunch myself. Most of them are available from my Patreon supporters, some of them are on my Gumroad profile, and I really like how this feature is becoming more and more powerful with each new version of Premiere Pro. For example, this is the template I created for presenting URL address. So when I drop it on the timeline and select it, I can customize many parameters, including the speed of the animation, as well as the colors and also background options. So for example, I could add some gradient opacity, even a texture. When I activate it, you can see the lines over here. And there are many different things I could customize here to create a different effect and different style of the animation. But hand-painted motion graphic template is even more advanced. I think they've spent 100 hours creating these. I installed it using additional folders feature, which I talk about in my previous video, so check it out if you haven't seen it yet. There are 8 templates and 4 of them are designed for HD sequence and 4 of them are designed for 4K sequence. Okay, so these two contain hand-drawn elements. I will drop it on the timeline, we'll wait a second and we'll see what we've got here. As we can see, there are 25 elements in each of them, so 50 altogether. There is a little bit of everything like animated lines, arrows, a little explosions, some circles, etc. So we can preview the templates, choose the one we like. For example, let's say I would like to use the number 7. Then I select the template and here at the top I just need to type number 7. And here we are. Now we can adjust any parameter that is available here. So for example, we can flip it, change a color to another one we like. For example, I will choose a light blue color. And we can change the position, scale, rotation, but actually for these, I would suggest using motion parameter in effects control panel. I will explain why in a moment. These two motion graphic templates, on the other hand, are for adding titles. We can choose the one that works with any font we've got installed on our system or the one that uses Google Fonts. So of course we can customize the font, but we can also customize the type of the texture here, as well as the color, and we can even add some paint bleed, which adds some bleed outside the shape of the letters and it looks more authentic. So as you can see, I created a short montage for a family video with this template, and I will also link another video that showcases how you can use this template and incorporate it in your edit. The music video Hard Times can be a really good source of inspiration, although obviously in this one all of the animations were customized, like were created from the scratch. Still, it can give you some ideas how you can use these elements and these titles and put it in your edit, in your video. By the way, we can also use this template for captions. Let's see how it looks in an interview I recorded a while ago. Although, you know, making captions interesting may not be what you want, but that's for you to judge. Anyway, let's see an example.
Most of the time we're camping somewhere pretty close to a town. One night we'll stay in the city, one night we'll stay out in the village, one night we'll stay on the beach. It's really good to do it this way.
If you do use it for captions, just remember to change the position of the title in the motion parameter. This way you can easily copy and paste the parameter between different instances of the template. So if this template is something you want to use in your projects, go to cuttothepoint.com/handpainted and use the coupon code CUT10 at checkout for 10% off. Now we need to learn how to install them in the best possible way, so just click this video over here and see you there. Almost forgot it was Peter. Until the next time, shoot and edit like there is no tomorrow.